So guys, I'm very excited to tell you the house is fully complete and the staircase is my favourite part of it, thanks to Ovoms UK. As you can see, come with a floating stair effect with a walnut finish on the treads to match the Venetian plaster wall. Also with a glass balustrade, all in one, no joint, which is very, very classy, also without a handrail. And one of my favourite things about this is the lighting. As you can see now it's white, but if you should throw a party, you can go rainbow mode and really change the mood in your house. Honestly, there is no one better in the game than Ovoms UK. So if you want your dream staircase now just like me, visit ovoms.com.